mode, overall dimensions, engine model and power, delivery date, serial number. Combine the figure of the instruction manual. The rated load of the bucket is the maximum load of the aerial working platform. Make sure that the machine is not overloaded. Confirm the ground conditions for the aerial working platform. The ground on which the aerial working platform works should be firm and level. Otherwise, insert wooden blocks to harden the ground surface. Confirm the lateral expansion space of outrigger. There should be enough space on both sides of the aerial working platform to extend the legs. Do not operate the machine when the legs cannot be extended, otherwise, it is easy to turn over. Before starting the vehicle, check all the control levers of the aerial working platform and return them to the neutral position if they are not in the neutral position. When operating the aerial working platform, the vehicle should be in the parking state. Manual type step on the clutch, push the PTO handle forward, and release the clutch. Function description of lower vehicle handles. The lower vehicle multi-channel valve has 6 handles, from left to right. There are for right rear, left front legs horizontal, vertical action selector handle, upper and lower vehicle selector handle. When the 4 handles on the left side are in the neutral position, it indicates that no leg is selected. When pulling upward, it corresponds to the horizontal leg. When pulling downward, it corresponds to the vertical leg. The second handle on the right side is the action selector handle. The leg has no action when it is in the neutral position. When pulling upward, the selected leg extends. On the contrary, the selected leg retracts. The first handle on the right side is a switching handle between the upper vehicle and the lower vehicle, which is a 2-position handle. The default position handle is level, only allows the lower vehicle action, and downward pull of the handle only allows the upper vehicle action. The upper and lower vehicle actions cannot be performed at the same time, so as to realize the interlock function. Before actions, turn on the power switch on the electric control box. Set the switching handle between upper vehicle and lower vehicle to the default position. Pull the switching handle of 4 legs to the top and pull the operating handle upward. The 4 horizontal legs are completely extended. Pull the switching handle of 4 legs to the bottom and pull the operating handle upward. The 4 vertical legs are completely extended. After legs are extended in place, pull the switching handle between the upper vehicle and the lower vehicle to the upper vehicle position. Caution 1. When the legs are extended, tires should be completely off the ground. 2. You can make sure that the leg is fully extended by the system overflow sound, and you can also use pressure gauge to determine whether the system reached the rated pressure. The corresponding action introduction of upper vehicle multi-channel valve handle. The upper vehicle multi-channel valve is located inside the column control box. Open the box cover when in use. From left to right, the handle corresponds to the column rotation, bucket leveling, boom expansion, and boom lifting, that is, boom laughing. Unfold upper equipment hydraulic handle operation. Before operation of upper equipment, first retract boom to ensure that the boom is fully retracted in place. Pull the boom lifting handle forward, the boom will rise, and pull it backward, the boom will fall. Pull the boom telescoping boom handle forward, the boom will extend, and pull it backward, the boom will retract. The column slewing handle is a compound handle for slewing the column and leveling the bucket. The default action is column rotation. Pull it forward, column rotates clockwise. Pull it backward, column rotates anti-clockwise. The first button switch in the upper left corner of the column panel is an action selector switch. Hold the button switch and operate the hydraulic handle at the same time. The action switches to the bucket leveling operation. Manual leveling display. Hold the first button switch in the upper left corner of the column panel. At the moment, the first handle on the left side switches to the bucket leveling operation. At the same time, pull the first handle on the left, pull it forward, and the bucket will tilt forward. Pull it backward, the bucket will tilt backward. Composite action function display hydraulic handle operation. Pull the boom slewing handle forward, then pull the boom lifting handle forward. Column will rotate clockwise, and the boom will rise at the same time. Pull the boom slewing handle forward, then pull the boom telescoping handle forward. Column will rotate clockwise, and boom will extend at the same time. Pull the boom telescoping handle forward, and pull the boom lifting handle forward. Boom will rise and extend at the same time. Pull the boom slewing handle, boom lifting handle, and boom telescoping handle forward at the same time. Column will rotate clockwise, and boom will rise and extend at the same time. Stow upper equipment after work is finished. First, retract boom completely. Operate the column to turn the boom back to the central position. Lower boom and drop it onto the bracket. Retract legs. Pull the switch handle between upper vehicle and lower vehicle to the lower vehicle position. Pull the four selection handles downward at the same time to select the vertical leg. Pull the control handle downward to retract vertical leg fully. Pull the four selection handles upward at the same time to select the horizontal leg. Pull the control handle downward to retract the horizontal leg fully. Return all handles to the neutral position. Use key to turn off the power. Disconnect PTO. Take the power manually. Step on the clutch. Pull the PTO lever backward and release the clutch. Engine shuts off. Before the leg is fully extended and the tire is not completely off the ground, upper equipment is not allowed to operate. Before operation, make sure that the bucket is level and ensure the safety of personnel during operation. When the operator enters the bucket with the equipment, estimate the total mass of the staff and equipment and do not exceed the rated load, otherwise the overturning accident may occur. Be sure to wear the safety belt when entering the bucket and fasten the seat belt to the designated position. This machine is equipped with a bracket that prevents cylinder from stretching out. Make sure that the boom is fully retracted before operation of upper equipment. When operating, rise boom first to ensure that the boom leaves the bracket before other actions are carried out. When approaching the operation object, the action should be slowly to avoid the collision between the bucket and the object, which may result in injury. In case of failure of vehicle power, use manual pump to stow vehicle. Put the pressure lever over the manual pump rod. One person operates the manual pump and the other person operates the handle to stow the vehicle. This electrical control system includes the following functions: soft leg protection, interlock between upper vehicle and lower vehicle control in the program, difficult to shoot, automatic limit range, alarm, and lighting. In the top row, from left to right on the column control panel, there are rotation, leveling selector switch, father fuse, light, buzzer, and light switch. In the lower row, from left to right, there are remote control, column selector switch, ignition, flame on switch, bucket rotation switch, accelerator switch, force switch. The rotation, leveling selector switch is a self-reset switch. When operating, hold this switch and operate the first handle on the left side to switch to the bucket leveling operation. Remote control, column selector switches to position self-locking type. Pull it up for remote control operation, pull it down for column operation. The ignition, flame on switch is self-reset type. To prevent miscontact, you should hold the fur butt 5S to trigger the operation. Pull it up for ignition, pull it down for flame out. The bucket rotation switch is self-reset type. Pull it up, the bucket rotates anti-clockwise. Pull it down, the bucket rotates clockwise. Accelerator switch is self-locking button type. The default position is idle. Pull it to the top, engine speed increases automatically and improve the operation speed. The fourth switch is an emergency switch. When the switch is used, some safety restriction functions fail, and only the soft LED protection is available, which may cause overturning accidents. Please use it with care. First level 4 switch. Open the side door of the column control box, and the first level 4 switch is located inside the box. When the switch is turned on, all safety restrictions functions fail, which is only used to stow the vehicle in an emergency. Pull the remote control column selector switch upward. Switch to the remote control operation this moment. The remote control operation mode is the same as the column handle operation mode. When the remote control operation is switched to the column operation after use, please turn off the remote control in time, otherwise, the column will not move. Please refer to the instruction manual for regular maintenance of machine, use and replacement of hydraulic oil, and the common faults analysis.